Well, it's about that time again. We're in Moon Township. We're going to Auto Illusion. Wow, my windows are tinted. We're going to Auto Illusions because it's finally time to start modifying the Audi R8. The first modification for the car is happening today. All right, so check this out. We got here to Auto Illusions, and the plan today was the main one, the exhaust, which was supposed to arrive yesterday. It didn't arrive yesterday, and I checked the ETA today, and it says that it's stuck in Cincinnati with no ETA available. So I don't know what's going on there. So there won't be an exhaust modification today, but we have a backup plan. Because I just got a big package from Vorsteiner, so we're doing some carbon fiber parts to the Audi R8. So check out this box. He's taller than me. All right, so let's open this up, and yeah, it's a package. So that's the wing.
Bubble wrap weighs more than the wing.
Yeah, this whole box weighs like, I don't know, 15 pounds. That's mainly all this stuff. There's the diffuser. Nice. So this diffuser obviously coming off. Great looking diffuser. It's a little small though. So check this diffuser out. Now obviously it looks a little different when it's not on the car. But this thing is so nice, and from Vorsteiner. The spoiler and the diffuser from the same company. And I've seen several R8s with this on already, well, at least in pictures. I can't wait to have this on my car. And the spoiler's not out of the bubble wrap and everything yet, but take a look at this size. Look at this wing. It's a freaking dinner table. This thing is so big. It's gonna be a lot better in perspective once we get the stock wing off and then we get this on the car to see the difference. But this thing is amazing. I know a lot of people are gonna have opinions saying, why do you remove the stock parts part? It's perfect as it is. This is how you personalize a car and make it your own. I love it. And Vorsteiner, they make good parts. I know the fitment's gonna be perfect. Carbon fiber looks amazing. Obviously, doesn't weigh anything. 10 screws holding this together, and then it's obviously clipped together as well, as you guys can see here. A lot of little clips all over the place. As long as it's a lot easier than the diffuser we did on my AMG 3 years ago. That was a mess. And it's interesting to see the car from underneath for the first time. I don't know if this is me or a previous owner, but someone hit paint or I killed an animal or something on the way here. Looks like blood splashes. So we removed this cover here that was sitting right underneath, and we found 2 more screws, so it's 14 counting so far. Well, we haven't removed these yet, but they're counted. So far it's 14 screws, and then I think it's just to unclip the stock diffuser. So what we're gonna end up doing is actually removing the whole rear bumper to be able to get to the clips that clip into the bumper with the stock diffuser. You could possibly get it off without removing the bumper, but you might break some of the clips and break the actual bumper. So safety first. It doesn't really come with instructions, so we're just trying to figure this out. All right, so to get the rear bumper off properly, we need to remove the rear wheels, but locking wheel nut bolt there, and the tool is supposed to be in this little compartment here in the front, and it's not. I hadn't even thought of checking stuff like that until now. So that poses a little problem here. Alright, so we're working our way through everything here. This is the stock spoiler that we just got off the car. Let's walk over here and compare it to the new one. Lengthwise, pretty much the same. But size-wise, look how, like, width, such a difference. I love it. Like that. So we got the whole rear bumper off. Look at that, we got like half a bumper delete. Just a bunch of clips here we gotta remove now, and then we're gonna put the new diffuser on, working on the new wing over there. So obviously the backside of the diffuser here, but for an aftermarket part, and I've worked with several different companies, this Vorsteiner diffuser actually has as good fitment as you can have for an aftermarket part. We needed like 6 arms. I mean, I mainly just stood here and held the freaking trash can, but you know, you need to do some banging and a little twisting in here and there to get these things on here, but the fitment is perfect. So we're gonna get the bumper back on, the new wing on, and see the finished product. Oh yeah, look at the rear end of my car. Look at that diffuser in the wing. Holy crap. It completely changes the rear end of the car. Man, that looks good. Oh yeah. Look at that. Man, that is sick. I love it. So here it is. The first modifications are done for the R8. What do you guys think, man? I absolutely love it. It definitely, like I said earlier, changes the whole rear end of the car. The look of it. I mean, that wing is so aggressive. So from the rear end, it gives it a more exotic look, in my opinion. I know with these type of mods, I mean, it's kind of like a split camp. You either love it or you hate it. Some people are gonna, you know, complain about it, and I get that, but I think it looks absolutely awesome. We're gonna keep this video somewhat short today because also, as I mentioned in the beginning, this wasn't really the plan mod for today's video. It was the exhaust, but that stuck somewhere in Cincinnati because of God knows what, probably COVID related. But I'm happy that we had a backup plan. Just look at how big this thing is. That's awesome. Diffuser, absolutely gorgeous. We've had crappy weather since we filmed the first part of the video yesterday. It started raining, so the car's all dirty and stuff. But yeah, this thing is badass. Huge thanks to Vorsteiner for sending this to me. It's not that many companies that do these type of wings and diffusers for R8s, but yeah, I think Vorsteiner makes the best looking parts at least. Now I'm going to cover this in an upcoming video as well, but the upload we had before this one when I went to the Audi dealership and we had some mishaps, that's being taken care of. I've been talking to the dealership. I've gotten, I don't know how many messages, I mean hundreds, saying that, you know, I should contact the dealership and so on, but they actually contacted me. The GM of the dealership called me on a weekend from his personal cell phone, and we've been, you know, working all this stuff out. So it was unfortunate what happened, but mistakes are made, and you know, you forgive and forget, that kind of thing. That's the type of guy I am, at least, and you know, they're doing their best to make it right. So if you're watching this, you know, you don't feel like you have to comment on that issue anymore, or you know, try to contact that dealership or whatever. But anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I mean, I love it. We got tons more stuff coming. Like I've mentioned earlier, the lowering kit is here already. We have wheels coming. We got other cool stuff coming for the car as well. And hopefully in the near future, we're gonna be adding some power as well. Supercharger baby from VF Engineering. Before that, we're actually gonna put a tune on the car that's being sent to me by VF Engineering as well. That's gonna enhance the sound even when the exhaust is on there. More crackles, more pops, and so on. You guys know I love that stuff. But with that, we're gonna end today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do. Give it a huge thumbs up. If you're stopping by for the first time and you haven't already, and you feel like you want to, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.